Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best walking aids is probably one of the most important investments for seniors seeking to maintain their independence and mobility. These aids offer stability, support, and confidence, allowing individuals to navigate their homes and communities with greater ease. From walkers to canes, the right walking aid can significantly improve quality of life, reducing the risk of falls and promoting an active lifestyle. Number 5. Drive Medical 10257BL, 1 Rollator Walker with Seat. This rolling walker is both durable and stylish. It features a strong and supportive frame, a comfortable seat, and an under-seat storage pouch. It's a great walker for those seeking stability. The wheeled walker has 4 7.5-inch caster wheels for a stable roll, perfect for outdoor use. The hand brake can be used when needed to stop or lock the wheels. Easily adjust the handle height from 31 to 35 inches with the easy turn lever. This walker also includes a removable hinged backrest that can be folded up or down for your convenience. The simple folding design makes this rollator easy to transport and store. This foldable walker is travel-friendly, supporting your active lifestyle wherever you go. Your Drive walker is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. You can buy with confidence knowing that it is built to last and supported by the manufacturer. What we like? This rollator offers a stable and durable design, perfect for those needing reliable support. It features smooth navigation both indoors and outdoors, making it versatile for various environments. If you are looking for a walker that provides customizable comfort with adjustable height, this is the one for you. What people say. From removing out of the box to assembling and adjusting for fit, Mom was ready to roll in about 5 minutes. I'm not a handy person, but it was very straightforward and simple. The wheels roll easily. The unit will be used inside 99% of the time, and it works well on all surfaces, moving easily from hardwood to carpeting. The brakes work great. Maneuvers great around my house and out and about. Love the basket, very spacious to put stuff in. The seats comfortable. I'm 4'11", so the adjustments you can make with the handles was perfect. It was packaged great and there was no damage. It folds up and pops right into the car with ease. I like the fact that in addition to the stability it provides as a walker, it has the seat so she can take a rest whenever she needs to. It's very sturdy and we've had no problems with it at all. Number 4. Drive Medical 10210 to 1 folding walker with wheels. This rolling walker is designed with your safety in mind. It features easy-to-use push-button mechanisms. You can operate it with your fingers, palms, or even the side of your hand. Built to last, this walker is made from strong aluminum. It's lightweight yet offers maximum strength. This ensures it's both durable and easy to maneuver. This bariatric walker comes with several premium features. It includes 5 wheels, a comfortable vinyl contoured hand grip, and smooth rear glide caps. These features enhance both comfort and mobility. Each side of this medical walker operates independently. This allows for easy movement in tight spaces. It also provides greater stability when you're standing. This walker is adjustable to suit your needs. It supports users weighing up to 350 pounds. This makes it a reliable choice for many individuals. What we like? This walker is constructed from sturdy aluminum, offering maximum strength while remaining lightweight. The push-button mechanisms are easy to operate, even with limited hand strength. If you need a walker that is easy to maneuver in tight spaces and offers greater stability, this is a great choice. What people say. The walker is very easy to maneuver. The seat is comfortable. It folds up easily for storage and transport. Number 3. REHAND Adjustable and Foldable Walking Cane. This adjustable cane fits people from 5 to 6.5 feet tall. It has 8 height settings, making it easy to find the perfect fit. It is designed to help almost everyone. The handle is longer and wider than traditional ones, offering more support. The hard material provides confidence, while the soft material offers comfort. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue. This cane has a pivoting and slip-resistant base for stability on any surface. The rubber structure absorbs shocks, protecting your joints. This design maximizes safety. It's made with a lightweight aluminum frame and folds up quickly. You can easily fit it into a bag or purse. A strap keeps it neatly secured when folded. This cane redefines mobility aids with its innovative design. It is designed for you and your loved ones. You'll also receive a travel bag and excellent customer service. What we like. This walking cane features an adjustable height, ensuring a perfect fit for users of different heights. The ergonomic handle reduces palm fatigue and offers a comfortable grip. If you like a walking aid that is easy to carry and store, you should consider this one. What people say. It's lightweight and easy for her to manage, but still feels sturdy and reliable when she's walking with it. The fact that it folds up is a big plus because she can tuck it away when she's not using it, or bring it along without it being in the way. The adjustable height also made it easy to get it just right for her. Number 2. Planetwalk 3-Wheel Rollator Walker for Seniors. Introducing the Planetwalk 3-Wheel Walker, a modern and stylish mobility aid. It's made with lightweight aluminum and weighs only 11 pounds, supporting up to 260 pounds. This walker has an overall dimension of 22.8 L x 27 W x 32.7 H inches. It features an adjustable handle with 5 height settings, fitting users from 4.8 to 5.8 feet. The walker folds and unfolds quickly, perfect for tight spaces. It easily collapses for transport or storage, making it exceptionally convenient. The comfortable ergonomic handle makes it suitable for anyone with grip or arthritis. You can adjust the handle height to your preference, making it more comfortable when walking. It is equipped with a 2-way parking brake. Use gentle upward pressure to control speed on downhills, and press to lock the walker when stopping. The brakes are easy to use and provide reliable support. The walker features 3 7.5-inch rubber wheels for durability. The front wheels rotate 360 degrees, increasing mobility on various terrains. This tri-rollator is compact and lightweight, ideal for use at home, in narrow spaces, and while on the move. It offers reliable support wherever you go. What we like. This walker is designed with a lightweight aluminum frame and a self-locking folding mechanism, making it easy to transport and store. It also features all-terrain wheels for smooth navigation on various surfaces. If you are looking for a walker that is easy to maneuver in narrow spaces, quickly collapsing for transporting in a vehicle or for convenient storage, you should consider this one. What people say. Assembly was straightforward and easy. It maneuvers well and provides good support. It's light, compact but sturdy. It's much easier to walk with balance support from this versus my cane. I am free from carrying cane and purse. Small items bag attached removes with ease with a handle and zippered cover. My purse fits, 2 pockets on side for phone. Folds with ease. Number 1. KingPavonini Adjustable Walking Cane. This KingPavonini walking cane is built with premium aluminum alloy, making it incredibly sturdy and long-lasting. The extra thick cane can support a weight of over 300 pounds, providing reliable support for users while they walk. The 4-pronged base is carefully designed for stability, especially for seniors and those recovering from surgery. Its size is optimized to prevent tripping, and it stands securely on its own, so you don't have to hold it. The cane features an offset handle with a comfortable foam grip, which is non-slip. It also includes a second handle to assist when standing up. If you have trouble getting up from a low seat, this will be a great help. The cane adjusts to 5 different heights, from 32 to 37.5 inches. It has a screw-coupled joint to secure the height after adjustment, preventing accidental changes. Once tightened, it feels solid and performs like a rigid walking stick. This KingPavonini walking cane is easy to fold and set up, making it convenient to carry around or travel with. It's also very lightweight, which is perfect for those with hand problems who find it hard to hold heavy objects. What we like. This walking cane is made with premium aluminum alloy, making it sturdy and durable. The quad base provides extra stability, and the dual handle design offers added support for standing. If you need a cane with a secure base and extra assistance when standing, it is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The cane is lightweight, but sturdy. The extra handle comes in handy for getting up. It's very sturdy and has a soft cushion grip on the handle and a fold-down handle that helps you brace yourself and stand up easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.